Hey everyone, this video is going to go through how to install Microsoft Clarity into a web design or landing page project so that we can track user behavior and track heat maps across our funnels and websites. Step one is go to clarity.microsoft.com. Go ahead and create an account. You should be able to create one by clicking the login details somewhere on that page. When you get there, you should be brought to a page looking like this once you've logged in. Go ahead and click new project or new project somewhere on your landing page that you've been brought to after you log in. When you click new project, you're going to be putting in the name. So I like to put in the name of the business. We go test business. We put in the URL. So I'm actually going to be using a funnel for this example. So let me go ahead and find the funnel URL. So now that I have the URL, I'm going to paste it in this field here, and then website industry. I always just scroll down and click other, so you don't have to add in any other information. Click new project. Very simple. And all we need to do now is install the tracking code onto the website. If you're using any of the new CMSs like Lovable, AI Studio, or any other AI web design builder, it's so simple. If you're using Squarespace, Shopify, Wix, etc., you just need to go through the steps here. It's so simple. There's no point in me even going through it. But I'm going to show you how to do it if you're using Lovable or any other AI based web designer tool. So I just go here into the middle one and say get tracking code. I copy that to clipboard, building your funnel, paste it into the chat bar, and then I literally just screenshot the installation page so that Lovable can just read the page and understand exactly what needs to be done. So I drop it into the chat box here, and you can see Lovable will be able to go in and read this here. So you can see that they want this to be copied and pasted into the head element of your website. So I'll go ahead and do that. So once you have the code pasted in here, you have the screenshot added in, you can just go ahead and press enter, and it will get it done within a few seconds. And there's no coding required. And then the best thing about this is we have full user behavior tracking all funnels now. Let me just give you an example. If we go on to this project here, we can click recordings and we can go in and track exact recordings for each user that's ever clicked onto the page. So if we scroll down, try to look for one that had a few clicks. So this one here, for example, this had 6 clicks. The duration was just under 2 minutes and they were on one page. So once this loads up, we can actually see how they navigate through the website. We can actually speed it up as well, 2x, 4x. But you can see here, they've started filling out the form, they stopped, they continued to write in what they needed the help with, and they pressed get in touch. So this became a lead, so that's fine. The ones you want to actually look for are ones where they didn't become a lead, and you want to understand where they got lost on the landing page. Click out, where did they read and then realize it wasn't for them, and how are we going to be able to structure buttons to be able to get that click? That's the benefit of having a software like this. We're really able to just track the user behavior. We're able to understand where people are losing interest. We're able to understand where people are finding out what we do and actually converting. So stuff like this is so valuable. Make sure we get it set up as soon as possible because it's essential. And for my internal team, this is to be installed every time we build any landing page, website, or funnel.